Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have Scrapdiva Designs project share for you guys. I have been using the Love Bag Topper number 2. I have used the Valentine Treat Holder Pouch. Then I have used the confetti plates, and this one you get 2 plates. Then I have used the heart bulbs. I have also used the Cottage mini album set. Then I have used the 3D kissing booth box. So let me show you what I've been making. So let's start off with the Love bag toppers. It comes in 2 different sizes, you guys. So this is the small size and this is the bigger size. This one here, I did double layer with glitter pink foam. And then I used the pattern paper on top, but I wanted that faux stitch look, so I used my black marker to just go over like that. Then I finished it off with 2 tiny flat back hearts. And then I wanted to demonstrate what size bag that fits nicely with this. So I used this one here to fill it with the confetti mix. So using the confetti plate that cuts out the bows, and then the hearts, I cut them out in many different pattern papers and foams. And the way to save yourself time is you can use your scrap papers. You don't have to use a big piece of paper to cut this out in one go. You can have like 4 different sizes of scraps and place them on there to die cut. Then you will have 4 different colors in one go. Same with the bow, that's what I did. I used 2 different foam sheets and pattern papers and things. So I filled it with some bows and hearts to gift, like this. And this bag size, you guys, that I have used, it'll be 3.5 inches tall. And then it is like 2 3/4 inches wide. So this is such a cute way to package up some of those confetti bits so they can use it for embellishment, layering and things. And this is a bigger size bag topper. So for this bag, I have used a holographic heart printed bag. And this is like 5 3/4 inches tall. And then it is about 4 inches wide. So I used that here. And then for the love letters, I double layered my 1mm foam to make it extra dimensional. And I did it for the front and back so that you guys know what it looks like. Of course, if you buy this set, if you don't want to decorate the back, you don't have to decorate the back. But sometimes it can be fun to, turn it around and look at it like this for a recipient. And then inside here, I have included the lovely hearts. That's also part of the January release from another set. I love these. These are so pretty. Then you guys, I have made this one here. This is the 3D Slim Treat Pouch. And in this treat pouch, you get all of the layering pieces. Then you get the XOXO, which I double layered my foam to cut it thick. Then you also get this bow, and I double layered the bow as well. And the bow is so pretty. I love the swirly tail bits. I used the darker maroon color pattern paper. Then I also used the metallic red cardstock to double layer. And this one I used the glitter sparkle hot pink color for the arrow. And this heart, you guys, with the scalloped edge and the stitching details, it comes in the set and it's so pretty. So I made this embellishment cluster first and then I glued it onto this flap bit here, the semicircle flap. But if you didn't want to use the added pieces that's included in the set onto the pouch, you can use your other ephemeras and thicker stickers to decorate that, and then also use the little pieces to make embellishments to gift as well. I also wanted to demonstrate what can go in this slim treat pouch. And you guys, I have this acrylic bookmark that I have made. This is the item I got from Panda Haul, and then I use my stickers to decorate. And this fits in here so nicely. So I'm going to be gifting this to my friend in the future like this. So nice, right? So I am so glad that I have a way to decorate the packaging for my bookmarks that I've been making. So nice. And also, I have tested the, you know, the beadable pens. You can actually put beadable pens in here as well. Look, just wanted to show you. See? Ta-da! But I really like the way that I can house this clear acrylic bookmark in here to gift. So you get the layering pieces for the semicircle at the front. You get the layering pieces, you get another layering piece with the stitch detail, but I wanted to not cover this beautiful pattern paper, and then I glued it inside. So that's why you see the stitch detail layering piece inside. Okay. Now this one is meant to look like this, but I was thinking when I was looking at the flaps, so let me show you what I mean. The holder pouch. So see this large piece here, that is what you cut out, and then you just have to fold the score line here and add the glue, and then it becomes this shape, right? But I thought, what if I cut two of the large piece and then use this glue flap to join another piece next to it and then close it off together? Then what would it look like? It looks like this, you guys. I love testing my dies like that, and that's all I did. I just simply joined the two largest pieces included in the set, and then it became a larger pouch. And you can use this flap here to open it like this, you guys. Isn't this so fun? And you can put so much more stuff in here as well. So I want to demonstrate that this bag topper that I made actually fits this so nicely as well. And so you can gift it like this. See? Isn't this so pretty? I absolutely love it. And I am so in love with this scalloped edge, really beautiful detailed heart. And this one here I did XOXO with the arrow, and I love the arrow that's included in the set so much, you guys. Another way you can use the arrow is like this. Make it thicker by adding the foam and the cardstock, and you can make a ton of these, put it in some little gift bag like this, and then gift it to your friends so they can use it for their embellishment making. I love this bow, I love the hat, I love all the components in this set. So pretty. What a wonderful way to package your goodies, right? Okay, next I'm gonna show you what I did with the kissing booth. I combined my kissing booth. Of course I like combining things. I mean, I made the kissing booth first. Okay, so let me show you the kissing booth part first. I made the kissing booth first, and I used the Carabella, is it Love Notes? Oh my gosh, I can't remember the collection. I used the Carabella collection, and I also used the word that's included in the set. So you get kissing booth included in the set. You also get this banner piece, this flag banner piece included in the set. Then you get a stitch detail add-on piece included in the set. But for my banner, I double layered my banner. Then I alternated the colors. So I cut the stitch layering piece, one in the black and white stripe and one in the glitter foam. Then I added here, 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 and here. And then because this banner base is already double layered with a nice pattern on it, I didn't cover every single one of them. So pretty. And then for my kissing booth part, I used the heart bulbs. Can you see the two different designs of the heart bulbs? So I cut the base using the, I cut the base using the shimmery gold cardstock like this. And then the set also gives you the layering pieces. So these are the two designs I have used for my kissing booth, and I really want to make more and use it in different ways. But for my kissing booth, I only needed the two designs. So I used those, and then I used this one here and this one here as a layering piece. And for my layering piece, I used this heart pattern, And then I added the holographic print on it. Do you know the holographic adhesive sheets? Can you see? Yeah. So then it becomes more shiny like a light bulb. And for my add-on piece, I used the foam circle in between. Can you see? Then I added foam behind the kissing booth as well to pop it up. And I love the way I decorated it. It looks very simple, but so fun to do. And for my kissing booth. So this is the story. When you visit this cottage, there is a kissing booth out at the back. So this is the cottage. And then when you go out to the back of the cottage, there is a kissing booth. Now this kissing booth, you guys, I tried to find my glass vials that would fit. And the only thing I could find was this here, which is a bit short, but it does fit nicely. Let me just show you. See? I'm pretty sure I had more of those, but I must have placed it in some different area and I couldn't find it. And I also discovered that this type of thin circular tube also fits as well. And then I also want to show you that the lip smacker lip gloss actually fits in here nice as well. So you can gift 3 different lip smackers to your friends if you like as well. Or you can gift like sequin mixes in the vials, or you can mix some like little tiny seed beads in there and gift also. So I just wanted to demonstrate that. So for my cottage, you guys, oh my gosh, I love this cottage so much too. So the cottage comes with the 3 big pieces. Okay. For my very first layer here, I cut it out twice, one in the pattern paper, one in the glitter foam. For the base, I used the black pattern paper with the tiny heart prints on it. So that would have been the largest one. Then the next piece with the stitched lines is the maroon color that I used. Then I double layered the very top part here. You get included like the door frames and the door. You even get a tiny bow, which I didn't use. You also get the bit for the chimney, and that bit is where I used up here. You also get 2 different types of things that you can use for the window, but I used that part for, no, actually, I used this part here for the chimney. Then that thin part is this one here. Yeah. And then you get that tiny arch bit, which is this here. Then I use this type of heart window up here. You can use just the normal frame heart one as well. So it gives you 2 different options. For window here, I used that one there. I didn't use the, I think you can use this piece on top of this to give it like more accent if you like, but I didn't need to do that. I used this bit here from here. I used the glitter white cardstock and I've put foam behind it to raise it up. For my window, I used this one here, Sherbet Shimmer. And so it looks like a real glass window. So I did that. And then I made use of the little tiny hearts that you get cut out. So when you cut out the roof part, you guys, see all these tiny hearts? It gives you the holes because these are the punch out, these tiny little things. And I thought I need to make good use of those holes. So I used the pink jump ring and I added my gold chain so I can dangle some pretty charms on there as part of the decoration of the cottage. Now this bow is not included in this set. It does give you 2 different sizes of the bows, but I wanted to use the bow that was included with the disco ball cherries. So that's what I used, you guys. See up here. I thought that size was absolutely perfect for my cottage. And then I double layered the hearts. Then I added another smaller heart there as well. For my chimney, I didn't want to just leave it without anything. I put 3 different hearts. Now these hearts here actually come from the heart mix plate from the January release as well. And I have already shared with you guys the project. I made a box using the hat mix plate, and you get like different hats punched out, and I saved all of those hats so I can use them for different projects. And so I made this chimney pot like this, and I really love that idea. I did also add some different size hats to here. Then I used my flat back stickers to add to there. For the bottom of the cottage there, what I did was, where is it? Oh, this one here. I used this piece here. So you get two cut out in one go. I put one on the left, one on the right, and I decorated with my pinky ladybugs and also some flat back flower pieces that I have in my collection. I'm so happy that I get to use the things that I have to make it extra pretty. I really love the Catabella pattern paper that I decided to use as well. So pretty. So yeah, that's my project share for you guys. I hope you have enjoyed listening to my explanations, and I hope you enjoy your session of crafting these also. I really love this fun idea that you can visit the cottage and also go visit the kissing booth at the same time. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye for now.